Let's see how Daniel do it. Oh, he got a good grip. Oh, you used to read. You see that? You're not letting it bounce. He's letting it fall straight up. Target. That man's on target for real. He's on target. I need to see how he be shooting. Look. Let's see what this is. Let's see what this like, man. That's all in the dome, man. That man ain't miss. All in the stomach. Because he used to recoil.
That was the first clip. Let me see that marker. Let me get that marker. I'm going to mark. That was clip 1.
Here's a Sharpie. Hey, here's a clip. I mean, you're using this range too. You could go ahead and shoot on this side.
We got 8 over 2 now. Exactly what I want.
Clip 2. Clip 2. They're gonna be all headshots too.
Let's see what you got. Ah, you got him in the eye. Your boy a pirate
right
now.
in the eye.
Oh. I gotta get him right in the gun. There you go.
Hit stop.